Most people get this wrong. They think community notes on X are just simple comments, but the surprising truth is that they are part of the crowdsourced system designed to reduce misinformation on the platform. Community notes allows users to add context to tweets they believe may be misleading or unclear. Contributors write notes that explain the situation, provide sources, or clarify statements. Other members of the community can rate these notes for helpfulness, and notes that receive high ratings become visible to everyone. The system works on trust and participation. To contribute, users need a good track record of providing accurate notes. This ensures that the information added is reliable and not just opinion-based. Community notes aim to promote transparency and fact-checking without censoring tweets. The surprising truth about community notes is that it empowers users to improve the quality of information on X collaboratively. Instead of waiting for official fact-checkers, the community itself helps prevent the spread of misinformation in real time. For readers, community notes appear as additional context below a tweet, helping you decide how credible a claim is before sharing it. For writers and content creators, it's a way to contribute positively to the platform and build credibility. In conclusion, community notes are a powerful tool for anyone who wants to fight misinformation and promote clearer conversations on X. By participating or simply reading these notes, you can navigate the platform with more awareness and trust. Subscribe for more tips and explanations about features on X and other social platforms.